How to bypass activation lock on MacBook, MacBook Pro, or Air. So recently, I was just scrolling and doing something on my phone and basically locked my MacBook. So when you come to your My Find app, you will be able to see all your devices over here. So I accidentally clicked on my MacBook section over here and I clicked on the locked section and I mistakenly locked my MacBook and I was like, what to do now? And as you can see that this screen was continuously showing which says activation lock. So I simply connected with the customer service with Apple and they guided me step by step that how I can unlock my MacBook and bypass this activation lock screen on my own MacBook account. So if you are doing it in some other person, all you have to do is just simply call that person or ask them to open their My Find app. And over here you will be able to see different devices of yours. You just have to go to the MacBook section from there and just simply scroll up. And at the last option, you will be able to see the remove section. You just simply have to remove the settings from your phone in the Find My app. And after that, as soon as you will remove the information, your activation lock from the MacBook that you have accidentally put or maybe someone else has put will be removed. And as soon as the activation lock is removed, you just have to open your MacBook again and your MacBook will work absolutely fine. Just simply go to the remove section. My remove section is currently paused because I have already unlocked it. It happened a few days back. So I'm showing it because I struggled a lot and I didn't find any video online. So I thought of making a video myself so that can help other people as well. So yeah, that's how you will be able to bypass activation lock on your MacBook. I hope you find this video to be helpful.